Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to inflate the boo-boo balloons. First, you have to slowly stretch the boo-boo balloon and continue stretching it. This balloon can inflate to 20 to 24 inches. Use the electric pump to inflate the balloon. Slowly inflate the balloons to 5 to 7 inches and deflate it. And do it again. Inflate and deflate. And please be careful and watchful, because if the balloon is too much air on it, it will pop. This boo-boo balloon can go up to 20 to 24 inches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something a little bit today. Thank you and bye.